Alright, Greg Bilbo with Rocky Mountain Valves and Automation here. Again, talking about Singer valve. In this video demonstration, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the single rolling diaphragm that Singer valve has on any valve that's 6" and larger. Right here is just a little 2" flat diaphragm Singer valve that we have in our control valve loop. I'm going to go ahead and do a demonstration on the 2" to show the chattering that happens on a flat diaphragm. I imagine most of you are aware of that. We're going to go ahead and get this valve to chatter at low flow conditions, and then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and show you the 6" condition where we'll be able to actually flow less water than the 2" and have it perfectly stable. Alright, I've got the pump started up, and now I have the valve. It just barely cracked off of the seat of that gate valve there, the 2". Look at the pressure on the gauge. It's just really low flow. You can hear the chattering that's happening on it. Let's see if I can zoom into the position indicator for you to be able to get an indication of that. It's moving so quickly my screen's not really picking up on it, but everything's chattering. Then once we go ahead and give it a little more flow, the chattering stops and the valve stabilizes. You can hear the difference on that. So that is the 2" without the low flow capabilities. Now what I've got here is I'm over to my 6" valve. Currently I'm at static pressure, so you're looking at about 110 psi, as I said, was going to be on the top of the header, and downstream is the same, simply because I'm at static pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this line. It's just a 3/8" braided tubing that I put down into this white bucket so that you can get an indication of the low flow capabilities of this valve. Okay, so I've got the valve here. It's operating. You can see the water that's coming down into the bucket. It's quite a slow stream here. Put my hand in it. You can see the water's not even hardly running off of it. The valve is operating properly. I'll be able to show you this here just once. And as you can see here, the valve is perfectly stable. We're sitting at 70 psi. Upstream, we're sitting at 110 psi. Once again, 70 down, 70 up with water flow just running off of my hand. It hardly even splashes as the water's coming off of the valve in this little bypass.